Minasan, konnichiwa, Dawn desu. Hello everyone, this is Dawn. Kyou no video wa kyoshi toshite no portfolio no tsutsuki desu. So today I would like to continue my teaching portfolio in English and Japanese. Kurumi-san to Honoko-san no video wa takusan no shito ga mite kuremashita node, kyou mo hoka no futari no seito this I believe video o shoukai shitai to omoimasu. So since the previous two videos by Kurumi and Honoka were popular and watched by many people, I'd like to introduce two more This I Believe videos from my students. Rinshou no video wa I believe life is a movie という video です。So, Rinshou's video is called I believe life is a movie. Rinshou wa ryugaku keiken ni tsuite hanashimasu. So, Rinshou talks about her study abroad experience. それぞれの次に起きたことを紹介しています。So she introduces month by month her experience. 彼女はアメリカで経験していいことも悪いことも受け入れました。So she experienced good and bad things and accepted them. Please enjoy her video. 楽しんでください。
I believe in life is a movie. Every moment become a scene, and the scene become a story, and eventually the story become our life. And even at this normal hour of our lives, it become a movie called life. I spent about 5 months in Boston. In the 5 months, I have met many people and have been at many places. Life in Boston has become just a chapter in the movie of my life. I came to Boston, USA, full of anticipation and joy. In September, I went to many tourist spots such as Harvard University and Boston Common. September was just fun, and I felt like I was on a long school trip, longer than I was study abroad. With a beautiful ocean, delicious food, and wonderful people, a cute animal, I soon fall in love with the city of Boston. In October, I went to my first live concert in my life, so I was very excited. Their live performance was great. I watched 1 o'clock, a Japanese band who is also active overseas. We live in the same Japan, but we are met in Boston, a foreign country. It's wonderful. I also went to New York in October. I was moved and delighted beyond words to visit famous places such as New York Times Square, Statue of Liberty, and the Met that I had only seen on TV. In November, life isn't always as fun as it is in movie. Yeah, you know, something is hard. November was such a difficult time for me. Stressed, tired, the New York trip and the daily class and presentation assignment made me feeling not good. I even want to throw everything away to get out of here. But I was determined not to say that. I want to go back to Japan. No matter what happened before I came to Boston. But I became strong. I was able to overcome this hardship thanks to my friend and teacher. My friend listening to me a lot and helped me a lot. And at the end of November, they celebrate my birthday. I was so happy. In December, I enjoy the Christmas season. In Japan, Christmas is considered a lover's day, so I didn't do everything in particular. But in America, it's family day, so I had a lot of fun without a boyfriend. Lucky me. On the other hand, I had a lot of tests and final report, so I had a hard time preparing for them every day. However, when I always thought that I could study with my friend a little bit time, I also enjoyed such a difficult test. Also, I went to an American people's house for the first time and eat something we watching Ghibli movie it together. I had feeling this day it look like Christmas illumination. In January, I decided to stay to Boston for a month. So I said goodbye to my friend. A new life that no one knew was fresh and enjoyable every day. But I also felt lonely. I realized I want to be alone, but it not means I want to be lonely. I believe in life in the movie. Do you remember the first thing I said? This is the end of my life in Boston, but I think I was able to create a wonderful chapter story in my life. Well, my life movie is not over yet. Please look forward to the next chapter. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Rinshou, for sharing the ups and downs of your study abroad experience and what you learned from it. The next student's video. 次の生徒のビデオは自分自身に正直になることについて説明しています。So in the next video, a student explains her journey to learning the benefits of being honest with herself. Please enjoy. 楽しんでください。
Being honest also allows me to understand my true selves, values, and what I truly wanted in my life. However, being honest with myself also means facing the uncomfortable truth. It can be difficult to acknowledge and accept my flaws. But it is important to remember that everyone has them. I should not be too hard on myself and remember that it is important to be kind and compassionate to myself. For example, last year I applied to many companies for internship interviews because I wanted to gain experience for my job search. However, I was rejected by many companies. At first, I was disappointed because I felt like I was someone who was not needed in society. But during the interview with companies, I learned what was wrong with me, and with the help of my friends and family, I was finally able to get an internship. This experience has been a significant one in my life, and I am confident that it will help me build my career from now on. Being honest also means being honest with others. Being honest with myself allows me to be authentic in my interaction with others. The converse is also true, and just one dishonest lie or deception could destroy a long-standing trusted relationship. I think that's very sad. When I am honest with myself, I open the door to personal growth and the ability to make those around me happy. By acknowledging my strengths and weaknesses, I create space in my heart and mind to focus on what's important, not just for myself, but also for our loved ones such as friends, family. In other words, being true to myself allows me to not only improve myself, but also improve the lives of those around me.
Being honest with myself is essential to personal growth and well-being. It allows me to identify and address my weaknesses, set realistic goals, take responsibility for my actions, and understand who I really am. It may be uncomfortable, but it is a necessary step in the journey toward self-improvement. I believe that by ensuring I take these steps, I will be able to achieve my life goals. I will stay true to myself, listen to my inner voice, and become someone who can support and care for those around me. I am determined to accomplish my future aspirations and continually grow as a person throughout my life.